is of accepting the educational responsibility, and while accepting the educational responsibility, how I have created my own living educational theory. So in that context, I had seen that being a university teacher, I have never taken a risk to teach a preschool children, but the study shows that how I work on the with a preschool children. So when I talk about accepting educational responsibility, here I accepted in a two context. First is of when I had accepted my own student responsibility because I found gap in their theory as well as the field work. And second, uh, with when I found the gap, I made it a point that they should be trained in the life skill education. Similarly, to create a trust among the student, I have also undertook a certain training. I have also undertook a life skill training program with them, and followed by life skill education program, I have conducted a action research on the preschool children. The objectives is here to show that how living educational theory approach the action research, and how this action research can upscale the quality of educations of an preschool children. So the area that I selected is having a problem of child marriage as well as the child labor. When I talk about the child labor, that every parents want their children to be a farm laborer because this is what they have decided about their future. So I have decided that let's go to the preschool children, let's discuss with them that how they want to work on, how they have to, how they have the stakeholders have think to change the educational life of the people. But when I visited there, I had found that there is a gap of their learning too. I mean, whatever the robust syllables in front of me, when I discussed with the preschool teachers, here we called as an Anganwadi teachers, I found that there was a the syllabus was very robust, but the learning aspects was not as per the syllabus. So when I found that the gap is there, I thought that let me work on this preschool children, and I started my life skill education training program with them. But since I have since I have a value, I believe in the equality as one of the value, but I didn't put it them in the practice earlier because I thought that preschool children of rural belt will not able to understand the things properly the way I teach them compared to the children of an urban area. So with this these assumptions, that is a contradiction of me while working with these children. So to negate my contradiction, I started life skill education program with them, and I have a number of series of program with this field. Initially, of course, I found that there is a fear of and talk with the children. Children are unable to visit my place. But later on, gradually, students love to come to the class. They love to discuss with them. And there are the certain evidence which definitely help us out to know that how, explanations of my learning. I mean, that I learned from this life skill, I learned from these preschool children that, the moment you will develop a trust among them, the responsibility of yours and the children will be will definitely a shared responsibility. So this is what I have observed among the children. So it's a 72 hours program of a training with the children. And initially, the first result that I had found that initially attendance was very low, but gradually the participation of the children in my class was increasing. This is what I have done in my research work.